Now, the other two red X's that I have are in regards to our placeholders. So this is telling us that as a business practice, we are requiring these pieces of information be turned in order to complete a move-in. So to be in compliance with that, we have to actually upload that piece of information to this placeholder. So one common one is proof of renter's insurance. So we're going to say that they emailed it over to us, we saved that email to our computer, and we're ready to scan it into the electronic placeholder. So we're going to find the placeholder in question, hit More, and attach document. When we do so, our window will appear. The attach mode is always defaulted and is the most commonly used mode. Attach mode is if you are using a network scanner that services multiple computers within the same office. This is the typical setup for any one-site or on-site setup or office. The scan mode is if you guys are using your very own scanner and your scanner services nothing but your computer. In that case, you can scan directly into the packet using the scan mode. Down below it, it will remind you what placeholder you are uploading to and for whom you are uploading it for. So it's telling me I am uploading the proof of income for Tom. Out beside that, I do have a finalize button, and this is the most commonly missed piece of information. So the finalize button here in your attach window is basically stating that this document either needs further verification or it's good to go as it is and should immediately be given its green checkbox just by attaching it. So, if we need somebody else to review this, for example, a leasing agent normally doesn't have the ability to approve that everything looks good for proof of income or proof of renter's insurance. Normally, they just collect it from their applicant and turn it into their assistant manager or a manager to review. In this instance, we're going to say that's the situation. So I'm the leasing agent, and I've collected my proof of renter's insurance from Tom, and I just need to put it inside the packet so that my managers can review it. In that instance, I am not going to click the Finalize button. That means it will add it to my packet, but it will still have a red X out beside it until my management has reviewed it. So I'm going to go ahead and review my computer to find wherever I may have saved that document. I'm going to hit Open. I can put notes in there if I need to for my management, and then I'm going to hit Attach. I'm going to go ahead and hit Refresh Content so my packet can update. And when I do that, I can see for the proof of renter's insurance that the document has been successfully uploaded, but I still have a red X out beside it. And that is because I did not click that Finalize button. I'm basically stating that this document needs to be reviewed and have somebody else approve it. So in that case, as the leasing agent, once I uploaded it, I would just inform my manager, hey, the document's been uploaded, please go review it in the packet, and they would do so. When they access the packet, they can click View to open up whatever was uploaded, make sure it meets any criteria. If it does, they'll close out, and out beside that same placeholder, click More and change status to Final. And that gives it its green checkbox. So we have one more, and that's for the application. The application at this point in the game is really just there as proof of application. There's no further verification that needs to happen as that's gone through the online leasing process or when you actually screen the person. And their lease paperwork has already been generated and signed. So really, all I need to do is collect it, and that's all the verification that needs to happen. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and finalize it here within the same window as my attachment. I'm going to go find wherever I may have saved that on my computer and hit Attach. And when I refresh, I can see I immediately am given that green checkbox, and my document has been successfully uploaded for Tom's application. That is because I did click that Finalize button when I did the actual attachment.